Welcome back. Well, let's get it. Jay, Bala, as always. Hi, Jay. Good afternoon. Good to see you again. First of all, Jay, before I want your stock picks for today and from now on, but I need to compliment you. You know, I remember earlier this year we were chatting, we were talking about 5-6 rate cuts. You said, I think it's only going to be 2. It appears the street is aligning with that. And also you said on the chart, something is wrong with Kotak Mahindra Bank and that stock has collapsed. Fresh call on both these two and fill us in with your picks as well.
Yeah, let's first straight go to the stock picks, new stock picks. I'll come back to these after that. Bullish on Schaeffler India. I think it's, the decline from 2022 looks corrective. And today's move looks like start of a fresh move towards all-time high. So a stop loss below 3150 for Schaeffler. And I'm expecting it to touch about 5,000. And I'm slightly less bullish, but bullish on Dr. Reddy. Stop loss at about 5880 and a new objective of about 6800. I'm bullish on the pharma sector. In fact, when it comes to the US 10-year yields, I was saying that when it was 6 to 7 cuts expectations, I was pointing to a long-term trajectory of about 800 bips for the US 10-year yields. And I said Fed will backpedal and you're probably looking at hikes. And so that's exactly what is happening. Today, if the, tomorrow is a Fed meet, and if it were to 10-year yields were to cross 470, we're likely to see acceleration fast above the 500 bips we saw recently. When it comes to Kotak, on April 3rd, I think 3 weeks back, I had a call on it, and I said it first dropped to 1620, and then bounced, 1630, and then bounced, and then dropped to 1430, and then finally completed target of 1,000. So this is going to happen over several months, not a short-term target. So we need to, watch very closely and play this.
Jay, your view is that the IT sector looks weak and it could be the first sector to go back to its 2023 lows. Talk to us about your view there.
That's right, Rima. See, the 30,000 on the Nifty IT index is a very important support, and already it's broken down below 34,200. So, and we are seeing, IT sector exhibiting weakness, mainly the frontline names. And, I've been bullish on the mid-cap names since 2022 October. But as I said a few weeks back, I'm asking people to take profits over there too. And we've seen that result in Persistent, Coforge, and a few other names. So IT sector is probably the weakest, and it's taking the role of the banking index, which was the laggard, so sometime between October and December.
Jay, hi, good afternoon. So we had this high drama play out on the Bank Nifty just about half an hour back, right? What do you think lies ahead? I mean, do you think it has the steam to go into a more sustained uptrend above 50,000? And if yes, and which are the leaders? Which are the stocks that perhaps could be taking it there?
See, both the banking Nifty and the Nifty are doing something very important. And before I get to that, I think SBI and ICICI are the stronger one, and even Axis are the stronger one. So strength is coming from here. But both these indices are doing something very important. They are pushing to new highs, and it's getting rejected even on the same day. And most of the new highs have got pushed back into the previous range. So that's a telltale negative sign for both these indices. So the markets are dropping back to critical support, but not breaking it. And that's doing something more important that breeds complacency, and the market starts to look infallible for the market players. So when the support breaks, the critical support breaks for both the banking index and the Nifty, that's when people are not going to understand what hit them. So there's a lot of complacency in the market. The price action is saying something, and people aren't listening to it.
Jay was saying that enjoy the party, stay near the door. And that has proved fruitful advice today, Jay, huh?
And we've been most bullish on USD JPY cross, and very few expected it to cross 152, and probably a currency crisis brewing there if it were to take out 164.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Although it's pulled back, right, after crossing 160. So so we'll see. I mean, but we'll wrap up things here. We're done for the day. Jay, great conversation as always. Thank you very much for joining us. And we'll have you back soon again to sort of take this forward. I think we'll just wrap up